everyone, my name is Anshika Gupta and I am from PGDM SM batch 2018-2020. I am glad that I am graduating this year from Jaipuria Institute of Management Noida. The best moment at Jaipuria Noida was when I got to know that I am placed with Pilsen Johnson Cement Limited as an Executive Management Trainee Finance, which was my desired profile, and I received a lot of appreciation from my director Dr. D.N. Pandey and my professors for being the only one who could crack the interview and get into the company. My experience with Jaipuria has been so enriching and amazing. Professors here are really supportive and I have learned a lot in these 2 years. They helped me in enhancing my communication skills, my presentation skills, my personality, as well as I have built on my confidence to speak in front of a crowd. College life is full of fun here. There are so many activities which are organized by 30 plus committees operational in this college on daily basis, and it brings us enthusiasm and energy. I would like to thank my mentor, Professor Abdul Qadir, for always being so supportive to me. Sir, without your support, this journey would not have been so memorable and smooth. Secondly, I would like to thank my program director, Professor Ritika Gugnani, and my Dean Academics, Dr. Pratibha Vasan. You both have always been kind and calm enough to handle all my queries. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the professors who have taught me in these 2 years and have contributed in making me a better person today. Now let's see what my father has to say about all this.
Hello everyone, I am Anku Gupta, father of Anshika Gupta. I feel proud to say that my daughter Anshika Gupta has completed her MBA from Jaipuria Noida under the valuable guidelines of learned and most calibered faculty. Before joining MBA, she was very shy and was not able to express her views in front of the crowd. But Jaipuria has given her confidence, boost her mental level. Now she can speak in front of anyone. She has been selected in finance profile with the renowned company Pilsen Johnson Cement Limited as an executive management trainee finance. All the credit goes to her and her faculty. Thank you.